I received a text message and it almost cost me thousands. On Monday the 20th of October, I received this text message which said there was a parcel and it is on hold due to additional charges. I'm showing you the actual scam text I received to help you spot the red flags. This is not from the real DHL. The problem is I was expecting a parcel. So what happened? I had ordered some new computer equipment and I was expecting a package. So when I got the text I was, okay, why was there an additional charge? The order was not coming from overseas. If you want to catch the next scam before it catches you, hit that subscribe button below. I post new scam breakdowns every week to keep you protected. The message has a tracking number and a clickable link so I could click and pay the additional charges. I was just seconds away from clicking that link and paying the fee. But then I looked at the message a bit more. The link did not look like a real domain address. Then I looked closer at the tracking number and nope, that didn't look real either. So, what did I do? I went to the official website and entered the tracking number on their website, and guess what? It was not real. If I had clicked, they would have stolen my payment details and drained thousands from my accounts. This tactic has a name. Smishing. It's like phishing, but it happens over SMS text messages. The scammers send these fake texts hoping you'll click on their malicious link. Once you do, one of two things usually happens. They might take you to a fake website that looks identical to the real one, tricking you into entering your credit card details to pay that fee. Or worse, clicking the link could secretly download spyware onto your phone. Either way, you lose all your money. So how can you protect yourself? It's actually quite simple. Never ever click on links in unexpected text messages, no matter how convincing they seem. If you're expecting a package, always go directly to the official carrier's website and use the tracking number you were given by the seller. Please share this video with your friends and family. Stay safe out there. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, please consider subscribing for more tips. See you next time.